Okay, yeah. They don't pursue 2 housemates last Sunday. As usual, we'd always give them open hands to take comfort them for money run. So they are here with us right now. We have the Lekpa Shandy Arin in the building. Then we have
heavy duty princess.
You know, you get what I'm saying, right? They bring the two of them come the same time because they are opposite.
Yes,
Princess in the building, Are in the building. Welcome to Nigeria FM.
Thank you.
Oh, see how na go now synchronize. Oh,
Hoping heavily because, again, like I said, I know the audience, but
Are.
yeah.
Now Nigeria FM 102.7 we do. You better you forget. We know they speak that language here. Because even all the fight things where you're turn on, I be alive.
I know even here.
I know you want to speak English, speak Pidgin with me.
Okay. You just want to embarrass
You
me.
don't speak Pidgin inside the house. You when they raise voice up and down.
Things say I come out so early.
Okay.
Why you think say you know go come out early, or you get something where you no do for the house where you feel say as me say I do this thing I for still day for the house right now.
No, actually, get things where I do for house where we say I don't even say I don't do this thing. I could still maybe day for the house, but I don't feel change myself.
What be that thing you actually do when you feel say you ginger your vision?
Fighting maybe I came off as angry or something.
Because I think of your occasion we see say you shout, raise your voice. Because I wear this person for carry this voice keep. Because you know your body not follow the voice you get. But for congratulations on top your fake car. They don't give you the fake key.
It's the fake car for me.
Because no, first of all,
I never see anything. No.
But you feel say any small truth they see they really got a bike up, you know, say they never present to you,
and
or somebody just wake up just want make and look like say
I don't know. I just opened my Instagram now. I can't see the disclaimer from somebody. From person where they handle your page. Yeah, I just see the disclaimer now. Okay. So I don't know anything about any car. No.
When we move to the next question, what be your general feelings about the housemates? Like generally, like which of them? What be your feelings about them?
The housemates.
You know the reason why I ask you. The reason why I ask you be say when you come out for the house, the way you take leave. You don't even look back. No hugging, nothing.
Okay, so the hugging thing was deliberate. Like I don't want make. Okay, I don't want make like if to say I allow everybody hug me, I go there emotional.
You go
I go
cry.
begin cry. So I don't want cry. Okay. I don't want reach stage with a buka. He go they ask me question. I go. I don't want them. So I don't get any beef with anybody. So like it was just deliberate. I didn't want to cry or get emotional. That's why I no agree make they hug me. No be anything. Yeah.
No be him, another princess. So what are your general feelings about the housemaid? Do you say some still they pretend, or everybody where they don't bring out their real self?
I think everybody they bring out their real self. I know if you say anybody still they pretend for there. Anything where anybody do for there. Like if game they there, but some parts now the person real self.
Okay.
That I think
right now when we say I believe they are aware of what happened for the house throughout last night we can't reach this morning. You they happy say you not did the house or you did sad the batter based on waiting the happen currently right now for the house.
I like where I did now.
Right
so like
now.
I don't get any regrets at all. I like where I did now.
Position.
Like, I don't come out beside I don't come out. Okay. No need to regret whether you still there, you know, there.
Okay.
Yeah.
I won't come to you now, Ari. You get one video I see some time ago where you and Angel they talk about parent leadership. But like I say, you know really to let out waiting supposed let out. So waiting you feel, you know, when parent be the HOH, the head of house, waiting you feel about in leadership skills.
Okay, the thing with me and Query, they say I don't already give the one where I think for my head. Yeah? And once I be as fuck. No.
Okay, you speak your English.
Yeah, speak the way you feel speak.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. And as soon as I did that, everything was kind of dead to me, and I wasn't going to give him any more of my energy. I think that his leadership style is not the best. He can approach things better than he does. You can't be a leader and basically advocate for chaos and confusion under your reign. That's all I think.
Okay, but back to Princess right now. You get what you do when kind of like brings plenty conversation come outside when you're evicted. Apart from your working, say you don't want to hug people, which I feel understand because you don't want to go emotional. As you reach job, my crush is not white money. It's actually main cross. And everybody
Wait,
be like,
you call her main cross?
So, oh, sorry. My God, what you be? Cross. So everybody, even cross self be like,
Even cross short.
like, so you get crush from me, now you not quit tell me. So
Yeah.
why you feel the need to actually, release that information before you step out of the house?
Okay, because I don already plan say if I no comot that Sunday,
Yeah.
I go probably do more things to show cross say I
See.
like am.
So,
So but
okay.
like me telling the housemaid say okay my crush na cross now say I wan just give them something where they go talk about. Like you know say
okay.
every eviction once people don go,
Yeah, they
people
must
dey
discuss it.
emotional,
Because
people go
why
dey
hours,
people
cross-
go dey
cross is now they
quiet.
think like, oh,
Ehen.
she really like me.
Exactly. People
Oh.
go dey quiet, people
Yeah.
go dey miss their friends wey don go. So I no wan make they get that energy. So
okay.
I won't
You just
give
wan
them
give them
something where they go
something
talk about. So I just reason
talk
am
say
say
you wan
the only
create
thing
chaos for the
the
house.
only thing why I go fit do where these people
Yeah.
go talk about now
Yeah.
to do the thing where I do. So I just like.
But really, you get crush for
Yes,
cross.
I like.
So why
crush
you
for
hold
the
back
house.
for so long? Because why they ask this question? Even the first week, so until the Big Brother decide bring new people come,
Yeah.
you be 2 day. I know one. You be 2 day quiet. You not really talk until that Sunday when Big Brother bring new people come surprise. I think you be like, I need to start to the talk.
Yeah.
Then it's the last Sunday night to tea when you come on, you can't dey more
Yeah.
open, can't dey communicate and like. So why do you know those times? Why you not give green light to cross? Say okay, I really bad do you.
I did, but maybe
You
in
not
no
know-
quick.
you
Yes,
not do
because
am
if
well.
if you no, I no go come just tell guys say I like you now.
You
no,
know
na
bad now. If
signal.
guy like you,
No.
when they tell you say I like you.
No, you know they our thing like
For
we
Africa.
Africans. No, we know they used to that
you don't
system
remember
of.
say be Africa now.
We know they
Okay.
used to that system.
Okay.
You understand? So,
Yeah.
but like I said, I forfeit tell am maybe I forfeit show am.
Yeah.
To say I did. I forfeit show am.
Or you think say cross actually get eye for other
Other
people
guests now
outside?
make
no,
am
no,
look
no,
bad.
no, no, no. Waiting. You see, I know they like put myself out there. I know they like force myself out
On
there
top person.
on top person. Like I allow am making they do anything
Anything
when
we
they do,
want
and yes, I make everybody like nobody know say I really get something.
So
for.
why you feel say people get the feeling say you get crush for white money because you and white money they always
because me and white
discuss.
money they close and I like white money. I know they hesitate to tell anybody we care to listen. Say
So
I
that
like
make
white
when
money.
parent want you to take come out white money for
Now wetin make I no
position
gree.
for kitchen. You
Now
know
wetin make I no gree because I talk and say white money na my friend. If you be my friend, I be loyal friend. I no go wan betray you for back or stab you for back. So I see that thing wey parent wan do as like setting me
But why
against
una
white
not dey
money.
outspoken because even when parent dey discuss with you dey talk like say you understand that but you not really still understand. Why una
Wetin
dey tell am say
happen? Oh
wetin
no,
dey do so
no.
not really
Wetin
legit?
happen with me?
Yeah.
Be say like e get one
You no
time.
wan dey parent bad
no,
side?
no, not be
Okay.
so. E get one time where I wan okay, I think when this person been head of house when wetin be name the other guy be head of house Boma
Yeah.
e get wetin Boma do wey I bin wan explode. One of the housemaid come tell me say okay make I no do am. You know say Boma na like as head of house in dey act like big brother.
Yeah.
You understand? E just be like say anything wey comot for him mouth you take am like say na big brother dey talk to you directly. So na wetin make me calm down when Pere na
Okay.
head of house. I no just wan make they say so okay I dey disobey big brother. That's why.
Okay.
So I think that the same thing make every other housemate
person
calm down
exactly.
till this
Until-
last night
yes.
when sup.
I will
Yes.
come back to you, Henry. You know, say when I do that, truth or dare. Now you and you still do.
Okay, yes.
You know, so for some people, immediately after that truth or dare, after the you know, something.
Come be like so they
you know,
want start
like,
ship.
Like say they want start ship. No, not you now. Like some other housemates. Say after their they feel say something won't start up. Like maybe they won't form their own ship. We go say blah 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 blah. You ever feel say after that with
Yusuf now go get
you know,
ship.
you
No,
can get ship.
absolutely not.
Why? You not say
Why?
Yusuf a person to get ship with?
No. He's attractive, but like we don't even vibe like that. He's not even
But you
like
enjoy the mwe.
Gosh,
No, na question now.
it was just there.
Because you stay small.
No, did you watch the second truth or dare where I kissed J Paul?
Okay, Okay, so J Paul na
Paul
person when you get crush on.
Now your love interest for the house be that.
Be that.
I had 4 guys I liked.
Only you want. They really just say small women they come with mighty engine.
Oh, yeah,
Oh yeah,
No,
continue.
they were they were just like different people like I vibed with on like different
Okay.
levels, and I got different things from them, and they
Okay.
were all hot. So.
All out. You know, one tell us their names. This
Of
for
course, I'll
love
give you the
interest.
list.
Give
Everybody
us-
knows my name.
J
give
Paul
us their
one.
list.
Boma, Saga, Cross, and J.
Oh.
But Saga, they don't hold that one, but they never know where that one want go now.
No, yeah, Saga and Nini.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like he's my friend. Like
Okay,
I would never do anything with him sexually. But like he has a hot body.
So we just hear now say because na quick come out for the na come out last week. He never took it. So we hear say out of the 34 condom when Big Brother provide give una
don't reduce
say
to
don't reduce to
16.
16. So which of una they are aware of who use am or another na use am?
No, maybe some.
Oh, na carry us over now come outside. So will I just get more quick clear this thing now before you go somewhere? Or now you not take blow.
I don't know.
Princess now.
I been thought say I go dey count the condoms, but right now I don't know wetin happen.
But before you come out, it complete. Is it completed?
I don't count am before I come out, so I don't know.
You sure? They are in.
No, I don't know if they're using it that fast. Even if you even said.
Oh,
that-
but they are, you have a jet. They are using it slow. You are a suspect. Harry, you are a suspect.
No, I just mean like.
Yeah.
If it was not 16, well, you said it's remaining 16.
16 out of 34. So they don't use the appointment like
You
a.
said like 6 was missing a hand. And I
You
said
go understand.
16.
Okay.
16 is like maybe somebody just packed their own before.
Okay, so
I don't
make
know.
we agree that the 6 now you get a idea who fit possibly use
Use
them.
the 6.
Or you plan to use that, so you open that you can change your mind.
No.
I didn't tell more dick. No. We know why you say reunion. I call it it was 1 second. Sir. One I keep the information for 1 year.
Yeah.
My stomach.
Your stomach.
No.
Okay.
I don't think anybody has used it yet. Maybe they have plans to use it and they're just maybe they have plans to use it and
Okay.
they're just securing it now. I don't think that.
But you be secure anyone before you come out.
No, I don't even know where they kept the condom.
Okay.
I still welcome to you, Harry. You know, say the moment when Ebuka even call you, say, okay, we say get somebody here, Harry. You know, you come up with all your piercings.
Yeah.
You know, that day a lot of mixed reaction day for outside. Say, who be
drag
this
me.
girl?
Yeah.
Oh, who be this Lord of the Rings? Oh, you know.
You know, say we be holy people here, but hypocrites.
Now you fool our mist. Yeah. So for you now, I want to ask you, what thing be the idea behind all these piercings?
Yes.
Maybe say you get.
Okay. Wait, you saw me in the house and you know that I'm very expressive with my style, and it's just like really the same thing. I'm super creative, and like since when I was small, I just wanted to wear rings or like jewelry on unfamiliar places.
Yeah.
In unfamiliar places, and I just started and I never stopped. That's really
Okay.
it.
So how many more rings to go?
Oh, there's menu because you know.
Which
I had 24.
special apart from the one with the scene, which
Oh
other
my
place ring
God.
there again?
Apart from
not
this one,
my
we will
nipples
say.
and not my vagina.
No, normal thing when we know you get and you get it.
No money show now.
Okay.
Uh-uh.
So you
I
never
want
plan
you.
to get on there right now.
Maybe nipples, but
No, okay.
definitely not vagina.
Not now. Okay. It's your ring. You can ring up. Princess, right now, we understand, say before the Big Brother, you be
I be taxi driver.
taxi.
No be
Not be
any
anyhow.
company. No.
Like
No,
normal
taxi.
to
No, na normal. No, app. No, na app.
No, you don't need to mention
Okay.
their name. no.
Na
Okay.
app,
No,
yeah.
when I think we want to, I think they took it. I was saying you want to shout or ballet.
Oh, okay.
So how life before Big Brother be, and you dey plan to continue in that same line, or you dey plan to come be madam of who get like different cars under you?
Exactly. Now
Okay.
the plan be that.
But what really make you enter the taxi driving? What ginger you?
Oh,
That's
okay.
a job not there.
Job no day. You know. So I can't dey idle for a while.
Yeah,
You know,
okay.
and say the society where we dey, you get a lot of bills to
Yeah,
pay.
to
You know, I
pay.
don't submit CV tire, nothing dey happen. So one of my friend come tell me say, Oyana, since you get car,
Yeah.
Alpha, may you run this thing. I say, I won't take me. I be woman. I won't take
Take
me.
me, yeah.
Like before then, I like to drive.
Yeah.
Like
You
it's
enjoy
one of my
driving.
hobby. I enjoy driving. So he said, okay, since you like to drive, you no go see am as a
A big
stress
deal.
or a big deal. So try am. I said, okay, how you take the walk? You can't pull me
Through
through.
every-
I can't go register. I can't do everything. Before
Wow.
you know it, I can't start. And because I love to drive,
You
I can't begin enjoy am.
So how long you be drive before Big Brother?
Over a year.
Over a year. You make a reasonable amount of money when you take care of your bees, right?
Of course, yes,
Oh,
I did.
for real. Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, now maybe come back to.
So if Princess Fit do as a woman, you too when one work up and then you can also do it.
That
so
was the idea of
we
Big
need to
Brother.
look for problem. We need to look the problem. We need to look for person to buy car for you because Princess Fit
No
getting
worry,
one
I
car.
did sure that your fans out there they cook up something very special for you. I did very sure. So maybe come back to the Big Brother Nigeria arrangement right now. So you don't leave the house now. Waiting for that house you go miss pass.
Oh, okay. Definitely, I go miss
Cross.
the.
No, not be who now.
No, not be who.
Okay,
Waiting.
Waiting.
That is
Guy,
like
chill
that.
now.
No, me, I don't dey ship una too. You must come as I come meet you.
Princess. So princess, now maybe come to who you go miss pass both for male and female housemates.
For inside
For the house.
For the house.
Oh, I go definitely miss my white money.
You don't even pick, you don't even pick your cross now.
I go miss
No,
my
miss
white
now,
money.
not be
Miss,
miss.
White money na my G.
Nah,
Na my
really.
guy anytime. Like
The female income.
the female, of course, Tega. I go miss Tega.
And
Yeah.
you
You know, you and Tega, there's a the same category.
Yeah.
I'll miss Tega. I'll miss Liquor Rose.
Oh, okay. Aaron, what about you?
Mines are obvious. Saga, Nini, Peace.
You know, mention Angel.
Yeah.
Of
Say that
course,
close.
Angel. And then like J-Paul, Boomer, and Cross. Just by
Yeah.
Oh,
you
just
got
say all
J-Paul.
of them. Now you don't mention like 8 people already. now.
Yes, because like these are my
Yeah,
people.
your reaper, these them.
yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so take and do attention from your male fans now because you are
Because
barely be happy.
the mads on high
Because now
too.
the everything don't high now.
I don't know.
Because some people feel I want you to come and pick me up and drop me. I'll give you 200 million. You know? The next thing you buy Range Rover, Fango, you'll deliver unto you.
I never reason them.
You never reason
I
now.
never reason
Do
them.
reason.
So how you go take and do attention from your male fans now because you are
Because
barely be happy.
the mads on high
Because now
too.
the everything don't high now.
I don't know.
Because some people feel I want you to come and pick me up and drop me. I'll give you 200 million. You know? The next thing you buy Range Rover, Fango, you'll deliver unto you.
I never reason them.
You never reason
I
now.
never reason them.
Do reason now, mo. Anyway, sharp right now. Certainly, you not get mago dey or go mago day when you not go think family way. So for you right now, you get plans towards that area like
Settling
maybe
down, so-
settling down.
Most definitely.
You go wait for Cross to come out. Because they start for now, so they start
No, with Cross, I not talk I won't marry Cross. So.
Nah, Cross, no, from Cross you dey start.
I
Now,
not talk I won't marry am.
if you crush Cross, if you marry Cross, you get.
Make him come out.
But
first.
if you get somebody outside before when you go,
No,
you be there single.
I dey sing.
A hardworking girl like you go there single before.
I don't know. Maybe the people way they out there no get eye.
But now they are high.
I don't fool everywhere now. You don't check your DMs since then.
Not really. Just check few. I
When
never
be your last
really
relationship
do
before you enter house? When was your last
that.
relationship?
Last relationship. That's like more than 6 months before I entered the house.
Enter. Ah,
More
you
than.
see the-
It's more
so
than.
now because you
I
want
don't
Big Brother, you break up with your guys. So if you
more
win, I
than
know
6
shit.
months. So I never even get the idea of Big Brother. More than 6
You
months.
sure?
I know just
Just you
when I
never plan
calculate
on
the
that.
time. No.
Oh, okay, well, Aaron, to you now. Next like marriage, when you settle down. Or you want just
Me, I don't know
explain.
about all those ones yet. Please, I beg. I want to
I
enjoy,
beg.
You want to enjoy life.
enjoy my life with my Amazons.
Your fan base na Amazon.
Yes.
Oh, what about you, Princess?
Riders Nation.
Okay.
Wow.
Now go
Riders.
clear this thing.
You know, yeah, where
Right, that's what thing.
nation riders.
Riders.
When you mean ride, like
eh,
ride.
Now you sabi. I don't know.
That means that guys go put that association where Riders Nation. And it will be visiting Sha once in a time.
No
So
wahala.
now Mona ride.
Make we ride
us.
now. No problem.
Okay, sharp right now. More just declare something. During the explanation of wetin go on between Pere and White Money, Pere actually talk something like say the reason why where the verse come from now say White Money from outside person no say
him
be
be
white
him be white card so
Yes.
he can't make measure of chaperone then people when they arrange you get so una I want agree so una control the same process right now. So really, because people don't deal of the opinion even before now, say, oh, this election of Big Brother housemate. Now you get the way it be the other people when they want really pick this and that. Now imagine person inside the house.
talking that.
They talk the same line with us. Okay, you get this permission of person when you carry you come. I want more your clear that something like that really day.
No, nothing like that. Now the same process all of us pass through.
So
like
if
with Big
parents
Brother,
say
no easy. No,
Okay.
with Big Brother, there's never been an easy way. It easy for you way there outside to talk. Say, oh, okay, these people be like say they get, but it has never been like that. No easy way at all. You
I
guys
think
pass
if you
through the
only
normal.
speak, if you speak for
For
yourself.
yourself.
I think if you speak,
Okay. So
okay?
for myself, okay,
Yeah.
fine, that's fine. For myself,
Now your
no
first time
easy.
of auditing be this.
Yes, not my first time.
And you get on.
Yes, not my
okay.
first time.
What about you, Irene?
Oh, it's my second time actually. I applied
Okay.
last year, but like I didn't go through the process at all.
Oh,
But this year
You take
I went
time
through the full process.
to the full process. So you get person where assist you from outside. When it can't
Absolutely
be
not.
okay.
Yeah,
So
and like they don't even know. I mean, like full disclosure, they don't even know who they're picking. Like it's a very, very, very tight audition process. Like, no, you can't because it's also like a bunch of people. It's not like one person decides.
so we need to wait for Perry to come out
So
and
that
make
people
come explain,
have
give
time.
up. Because for
Yeah.
that to know say another person may get is it chaperone, be chaperson, chaperone. That missing to get your own chaperone. Make them come explain, give us. How
All
they
right,
take
before
one.
now we go, we always ask these questions. Now you don't come out from the house. Who you feel say go with the Big Brother?
They
this
don't.
year?
From me, Princess talk. You don't they know.
No. Aside from that, yeah, it's obvious. I'm going to mention my faves.
Yeah.
But it dey tough. No be. I no go just say nah this person go win.
go
It's a
win,
tough one because you agree with me that the number of good like personalities in that house. So.
Yeah.
It
But
go
with
dey
the
difficult
outside
to-
world when you
it go dey
experience right
difficult
now,
to
who they
talk.
stand?
But if I go talk, definitely I go mention my faves, which is like I like make White Money win. I like
Okay.
make Tegan win. I like make Licoros win. Like my people, I want make.
You know, it will make measure of Sasuke, or you not be friend with Sasuke.
I'm friends with everybody, but like I dey talk of people where they like close, where they get some
when
kind
you believe.
conversations with. Yes.
Okay. Irene, what about you? Who you believe say go win now?
Being realistic,
Yeah.
White Money Liquors, being I don't know in my feelings about it.
Yeah.
My friends, Saga, Nini, Peace,
J-Paul.
J-Paul.
No, I even mention Maria. You be like saying I know to get good relationship.
They're not like
or
Maria
rapport with
Rain
Maria.
as deputy head of class.
No, I no get issue with Maria. Now she come for me, no be me come for her. But I no get
But
issue.
But now settle
wait
the issue.
actually happened between you and Maria that time.
No, I just dey on my own. They just bring me inside the matter. She dey quarrel with Angel.
Yeah.
Before you know it, she begin point me say I dey laugh when Angel dey talk about her. I say I no understand.
Now you caution.
Laughing don turn to
crime, abi?
I dey tell you the thing tire me. So now me too. The thing converse me because she come dey point me
Points
like
hand.
they point me
Yeah.
say why I dey laugh. I say
Who you feel say for inside the house they always like instigate problem,
they always like
one cause
instigate.
problem. Yeah. So,
Problem.
quarrel or fight.
Maria I will say Maria because she
You get
get
that trait,
like
yeah.
people they always misunderstand her. Like she
Yeah.
jokes a lot and sometimes not be everybody they take some
Take
kind
jokes,
joke.
okay.
So she fit throw one joke for you, no go see am say it
understand.
funny before you know it una don.
Okay.
Angel, sorry.
No.
Harry,
Not
sorry.
small angel. You know some
Harry, you feel say Queen they take things too
personal.
personal because a lot of people wait outside the house talk say if any little thing happen like this between
dey quick
Queen and Maria,
caution.
she dey you know and
Quick
blood dey
sparkle.
too hot, fast. You feel say na the same thing.
A little bit of that, yes, but I also think that I don't know, like we need to be kind to her because we don't know where she's coming from and what her struggles are. So the way she's getting mad,
Yeah.
it might seem crazy or odd to other people, but like she has a good heart as well, and like everybody just needs to get better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Mo, I just dey keep this one for last since then. All of us sabi wetin happen to KB
KB.
right now. That the time when I dey house, when I foresee something like this, or una,
Happening.
because una self
I
not even
did.
really relate to
I
the guy
did.
that much too.
I did.
Yeah.
I saw something like I dey see like I dey like observe people a lot.
Because why I ask you
Eh.
why you say because at a point I feel even you almost want be like that for the first week.
No.
Because you were now the first week now yes now
Like
you were
you dey keep to
you
yourself.
dey keep to
Eh,
yourself because,
it's-
like people you dey around people when be say they don't understand you, you don't understand
no,
them.
me the
Yeah.
first
How you
week.
take walk your way?
Me the first week,
Yeah.
I won't understand people. I no go just waka through this door and begin talk.
Yeah.
I won't know whether you go give me audience, whether you go listen to me if
Yeah.
I talk. So the first week I won't understand people. Like and then the whole process will bring us come that house.
Yeah.
You don't want to know.
Yeah,
You get,
staying
so
alone
you
inside
don't know
hotel.
exactly. You don't want to know.
You feel say that
the
was
whole
a play
thing-
play role for activity
matter.
No,
react month later.
I don't think so. I don't think so. I doubt that because yes, I doubt that because waiting I observe from where in the I don't know, but I doubt that.